Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer money or crypto between Krak and Kraken. So, given the fact that Krak is from Kraken or developed by Kraken ecosystem, you can easily transfer money or crypto between those two platforms, right? So hit the plus button at the bottom middle. Inside, you're gonna just hit the last option, transfer between accounts. And you can see from Krak to Kraken. So if we enter the amount from Krak, we're gonna transfer to Kraken. But you can click the arrow to reverse that, right? Let's say you want to transfer, let's say $2. So I'm gonna transfer $2 from Kraken to Krak, and I can also select the local currency, or if you're using crypto, we're gonna use crypto. So let's say I'm using Bitcoin. Then I'm gonna be able to transfer $5 from Kraken to Krak and hit transfer and confirm the transaction, right? And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.